Hello, welcome back to our grade 1 CBC mathematics activities. We are still at substrand 1 number concept. We are in our lesson 5, and lesson 5 today we are going to look at arranging items of the same size from smallest to the largest. So we have example 1 here. The example reads, arrange these animals from the smallest to the largest. The animals are here. We have an elephant here, we have a hare here, we have a lion here. Finally, we have a rat on that other end. We are going to arrange all these animals in these boxes. Box 1 here, box 2 here, box 3 there, and box 4. Starting with the smallest animal and ending with the largest animal. So I'm going to mark these animals according to their sizes. From the smallest, I'll mark it with 1. So for my case here, the rabbit here, the rat we are having here is the smallest. I'll mark it with 1. The hare we are having here is the second smallest, so it will take position 2. The lion taking 3, and finally our elephant here taking 4. So that is how we arrange animals from the smallest to the largest. You compare them according to their size, but you use your eyes to see which animal is going to be bigger than the other. So basically that is how we arrange the animals. As I said, we are going to have our rat occupying the first option here. You see our rat is occupying 1 here. We have our hare in box 2. We have our lion in box 3. And finally we have elephant here at 4, being the largest. We can as well arrange these animals from the largest to the smallest, but that is what we are going to do in our next example. So basically that is how we do arrangement of items from the smallest to the largest. So I want us to look at example 2. In example 2, we are going to arrange the trees from the smallest to the largest. So again, our smallest will take position 1, then the second one there, the third one, and the largest taking the last position there. So right away we are going to look at the trees we are having here. The smallest one is here, it will take 1. Then the second smallest is here, it will take 2. Then we have this one at position 3, and lastly our big tree here occupying the largest position. So that is how we do arrangement of items from the smallest to the largest. So let's look at what we have here. So that is our response to the answer. We have position 1 taking the smallest, then the second position taken by the second smallest tree, then we have position 3 here, and position 4 taken by our largest tree. So when we are doing comparison of items using size, we use our eyes to see and compare which one is larger or which one is smaller than the other for that case. So we roll on to our next example. So we are going to arrange the same size, and in this example we are going to look at items from the largest to the smallest. So as I said earlier, items can also be arranged from largest to the smallest. So we are going to look at arranging items from the largest to the smallest. What we are arranging here is we are going to arrange the cups. So the cups are here. We have our cups down here, and we are going to arrange all these cups from this time round from the largest to the smallest. So which cup do you think is the largest here? We have cup 1 here being the largest. This one will take the second position. This one will take the third position, and our smallest cup here will take the last position. So this cup will occupy box 1 here. This cup will occupy box 2 here. This one occupying box 3, and our smallest cup occupying box 4. So when look at that, we have arranged our cabs from the largest to the smallest. Well, now we can continue by looking at our example. Another example we are having, we are going to arrange, and this is how we have arranged our cabs. You can see position 1 here, position 2 here, position 3, and the last one at position 4. So basically that is how we do arranging items of the same size from the largest to the smallest. We can look at our last example, and in this example we are going to arrange the vehicles. For that case, we are going to arrange vehicles from the largest again to the smallest. So we can look at the vehicles we are having on this side here, and these vehicles are of different sizes. Which one is the largest? For me, I'll take the bus here. This will be my largest, followed by the yellow bus here, then followed by this one, and finally the smallest one here. Therefore, right away, this bus will take position 1, this one will take position 2, this one here will take position 3, and our last one taking position 4. So basically that is how we arrange. Let's see in our next slide how they have been arranged. So look at this. That is basically how all our buses or vehicles for that case have been arranged. So that is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, share, and also subscribe to this channel so that you get notified on our next lesson. Thank you.